Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to clean your iPhone screen using Apple's microfiber cleaning cloth. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone 8 Plus or any other iPhone, which we have on screen now, and the infamous cleaning cloth that you get with the MacBook Pro, so we can turn off the phone, yes, and then take the phone out of the case itself, and I'll take the cleaning cloth and we can see how dirty the screen really is with a close-up. Draw circles on the screen. We can clean all the phone if required to, as this is a tutorial that shows the average user how to clean the phone itself. But the main focus really is on the screen. The screen is now very clean, as you can see. With a close-up, the mobile phone goes back into the case. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.